Hey, how's it going, guys? Now, now we're gonna learn about Atomic.add, what it does. So the static Atomics.add method add a given value at a given position from the array and return the old value at that position. So which means the atomic operation grant that it gonna know that other write happen until the modified value is written back. So let me show you an example. Bar, name it buffer equals a new new constructor shared array buffer 16. So 16, let pass the parameter 16. We're gonna use value int 8 equals and new constructor int 8 array and pass the buffer variable which has 16, and what we're gonna do is we will put the first array int 8 and 0 equals 7. So when we do that, and now what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use that function which I told you, add, and what we're gonna do is first the array which we want 8 comma 0 comma 2. Let's take at 2. So what's gonna happen is when we do that, we will adding 7 plus 2. So this time when we do that, will be the 7 will be so at this time. So what's gonna happen? Oh, I made a mistake. Let me see what I did now. Oh, sorry about that. I mistakenly typed when uint. So let's do that. So it's 7. Now if we do another atomic add, it's gonna show 9. So let me do this. Atomics.add pass the array comma 0 comma 3. So this time the output will be 9. After that, will be 13. So it's 9. Now after that it will be 12. So let me instead of this time we will not add any array or something, but instead of doing that we will use atomics.load. There is another use of this, so we're gonna do that and comma 0. So when we do that, it's gonna show 12. So hope you understand. If you have any problem, with this, comment down below. I will be sure to check that out. And thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.